Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send YouTube Shorts on Snapchat. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be just to open your YouTube mobile app. And of course, make sure that you are logged in to your account here in uh, Snapchat. So simply, I'm just going to go here and then you will be needing to go to the Shorts panel or the Shorts tab. Then you will choose any shorts that you want to send over uh, Snapchat. And basically, we will be needing to click on the share button so we can have our link and then you can send it or it will be sent automatically by YouTube Shorts here. So I'm just going to click on the send. And as you can see, it's already detecting all my channels. So if you cannot find your Snapchat from here, you can just click on more and then you can send it over Snapchat. So I'm just going to click on Snapchat, and of course you will be needing to be logged in. And basically, when you're logged in, it will take you directly to a list where you can see all your friends, your group, or even story. So you will be able also to start sending your YouTube shorts to your story, and then you can choose all the elements or you can select all the friends that you want to send this short to them over Snapchat, and then you will need just to click on send or uh, click on the send icon, and then you will have your shorts that will be sent over Snapchat. So simply you can do this method with all the social media, and basically you can just click on share. You choose any type of the social media or the channels that you have, and then click, for example, Discord, and here you will find the list, for example, of all your friends, channels, and servers. And basically by that you will be able to send these shorts to them. Thank you for watching. See you next time.